contractors go to work. When we were campaigning, we told you clearly that we were going to fix Abia. I remember that our tagline then was a charge to Abia people, and we asked you to weep no more because help was on the way. So we are just keeping to our promise of ensuring that our tears of several decades are wiped away so that our people will stop weeping. There are a lot of challenges for which we have seen protests in different cities and states, and those challenges have to do with the realities of the economy. Exchange rate keeps changing every day. Inflation is about 30% at the moment. Oil prices, fuel subsidy was removed and the oil prices have gone up. That's petrol and PMS. But then we are convinced that just like our people say, na mberede nyere dike asem kambunu na otu ọ dị ihe si dị ihe ndị ahụ anyị si na anyị ga-eme ha. So onye ọ na-amala ngwụ na nkwọ na-abịa. Nke a ka mbido akwa baby nsakwa akara na-eshi everywhere. I'd like to let our people know that we are not in competition with anybody. We are just running our own race. So sometimes when people are comparing us with other governors, I ask what the yardstick is. Best governor and other. There's no yardstick. We don't want to be best governor. We just want to be governors that serve our people. So the whole idea of fixing and reconstructing this very important road, I'm told is about 67 kilometers from here to the part of Ohafia where it will terminate. And we selected 3 contractors because we divided the road into 3 sections. It's not as if one contractor could not have done it, but we're in a hurry. We want to recover lost grounds. So we do not have time to spend. So if we gave it to one contractor, maybe it would take a lot of time. And that is why we split it into 3. And if the information I have is correct, that is about 67 kilometers, then when you divide it into 3, you are talking of no less than 22 kilometers apiece. So, and that is still a very long stretch of road. So I'm happy that I have Saba and his team here, the management of Krembok. No doubt that you are going to do an excellent job here, just like the Osa Road that you have been doing. They are the ones doing the Osa Road, and we are happy with the pace of work. So well done. I would like to assure you that we have competent engineers who would be keeping watch. Not because we don't trust you, but we want to be sure that what we signed on the contract is exactly what is delivered. Road would be delivered to specification and in the record time that we have agreed. So, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me thank you for the support that you are giving this state, the support you are giving the government that you elected yourself, your own government. And I would like to challenge you to continue to support this government. I challenge you to carry out your civic responsibilities of paying your taxes, paying your rates, support to this government, so that together we can build a prosperous state. So